Let's head over to the video. We are looking at 7 best CV and resume WordPress themes. All right, so number 1 on my list is called Rhine CV. So this is a personal portfolio resume theme. All right. So for this theme now, you can see it comes with 20 unique websites, and then it works with Elementor Page Builder. All right. So if you come on this site, for example, like I said, you see this option Add to Carts. So you come over here and just click on Add to Carts, where you'll be prompted to either create an account or to sign in. So once you do that, you'll be able to purchase commerce with this particular theme. So let's check out some of the features and the demos. Now, all these themes comes with demo, and this demo are ready-made templates that you can just go ahead and use. So if I click on, you can see it now. These are ready-made templates. So let me just show you what this looks like. So what it means is that once you purchase this theme, you can choose from any of these ready-made templates. You just need to update the information, probably put in your picture, and then fill in your own details. So this, I've opened it in a new tab. Let me show you now. This is an example of one of them, of one of the demo that you can make use of. So you can just change the about me content. You can see the age, residence, freelance, available, your address. Okay, you can also show your services. So you can see it here. Then you can put in your prices, and then okay, fun facts, quotes, okay, clients you've worked with, and custom text. So if you want to achieve something like this, you can just go ahead and purchase this theme. It will make it easy for you to achieve something like your name and then your social media icon. If you want to make your CV downloadable, if you want to link to your contact page, and this particular demo now, you can switch between the light and the dark version. So you can see it here. All right. If you also want to sell, so you can see, you can also sell maybe a product or a service. You can also do that. So you can see here there are different menu at the left here. So that this is the resume part. If you want to show some of your works, you can upload them here. All right, so you can see it here. And then you're going to also have a blog section, so where you can also make create posts depending on what you do. You can also do that, and then your contact information. You can see it, your address, your phone number. So you can see it's different from the regular ones. And then, like I said, if you want to also sell products, okay, so you can see it here. You can have a store within your resume page. It might be a product, it might be a services. All of those things is what you can achieve with this particular theme. And currently, as at the time of making this video, it's currently on sales. So instead of that's the $10 off, called 11. This is another resume, CV, and portfolio theme. So all, like I said, all these themes comes with demos. All right. So let's check out the demo for this theme. So you can see this is the demo. This comes with 4 different demo that you can, both the light and then the dark version. Okay. Right. So you can also check this out. If you want to, why is it 11? So the third one on our list is called Breezy CV. This also works with Elementor Page Builder. It comes with both the light and the dark version. It supports RTL. So that means if you want to create, if you are creating yours in languages that are written from right to left, okay, like Arabic, Hebrew, and the likes, you can make use of this particular theme. So let's view the demo. So you can see these are the demos. This has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 18 different demos. So both the light and the dark version. All right. So I hope you are finding value in it in this video. Okay, I hope this list is helping you out with choosing the right theme for your CV or your resume website. All right, so next on our list is called Square Root. Okay, so this itself also works with Elementor. It comes with 3 demos. So let's take a look at the demo. So if I come here and click on demo, you can see this is the demo 1, demo 2, and then the demo 3. All right, so this is showing more information on a single page. All right, and you can also have it on multiple page. So you can see it, responsive design, flexible layout, classic menus, XC optimize, page loading, animation, and the likes. Okay, so you can see this is more of what the pages looks like. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinger to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinger is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down Actually, there are three plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay. And remember, you're also going to be getting some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25. And in terms, now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right. So once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here, you see your summary here. Now, the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinger. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinger is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right, so now let's continue with our video. Welcome back. So next on our list is called Resume and CV WordPress theme. Okay, so for this now, let's go ahead and just check out some of the features for this particular theme. So this comes in, this is a demo for it. This is another one. These are the demos available to you when you purchase this particular theme. Okay, so the name again is called Resume and CV WordPress theme, and it's going for $49. Okay, and currently rating is the next one. This is creative. It's called Creative Resume and CV WordPress theme. All right, so this is another favorite theme that comes highly recommendable. So you can see, let me show you what the demo for this looks like. All right, so you can see it. This is looking more colorful. Okay, both the light and the dark version is available. So different layouts, all the demos have coming with different layouts. Okay, so you can go ahead and check them out and view them. And the process of using this theme, this theme or this demo is quite easy. Okay, right. So now the last one on our list, the seventh one, is called Kex Portfolio Resume theme. And this is what the demo look like, because now why I'm showing you more of the demo is one of the things that can help you in deciding what to choose. Okay, so if there's a particular theme that has a demo that you feel works with the kind of CV or resume you want to create, then you can just go with that, because basically you can choose any of this theme either based on the price, based on the demo, maybe, okay, and then you can also choose them based on the features. Okay, so we looked at Rhyme CV, we look at 11, we look at Breezy, we looked at Square Roots, we look at this resume, we looked at Creative, and then we looked at Keps. Okay, so but if you are still not sure of which one to choose,